Hey guys, this video is gonna be about how to help you get clients after this quarantine is over. So let's talk about it. First of all, what is the best way for new lash artists to get clients? So the best way is to really just get your name out there. Let's talk about the first and easiest method out there. So the easiest method is actually through your friends and family. So just really do all your friends' lashes for free. Just do them for free. If they feel like giving you a tip, whatever, that's fine. But don't expect to start making money the first, like few, let's say I would say 50 clients. Don't expect to make money because you're not there yet. Like, you're just practicing, you're just making sure that you're getting good, that your retention is on point, and that you're able to actually start taking your first clients. So that would be method number one. That's what I would do. Just do all your friends, do all your family lashes, see what problems they're having. Are their lashes falling out? Are they too long? Are they too short? Adjust those issues. Adjust your room temperature, adjust your humidity according to the glue, find the perfect supplies, and then you're ready. So that will process will typically take a few months. So just be prepared for that, and it's fine. It happens to everyone, so it's normal. So just you don't expect paying clients to kind of like go through that stage with you, because it's not really fair for them to be paying, I don't know, however much you're charging for a full set, and for you to kind of like be experimenting and kind of not sure yet if your glue is gonna work, not sure if the retention is gonna be good. You really need to have your shit together, to start taking real clients and really like making sure that everything's going to be perfect. So that's what I would do. So that's where I would start. Really ask. It doesn't matter if your mom likes extensions; she's going to do them for you. Like it doesn't matter if your aunt is like a natural person, doesn't like makeup. Just ask her, please, can I do your extensions? We can remove them for you in a couple of days or a couple of weeks. I just want to see how it's gonna look. She might love them, who knows? But the point is, you need the practice, and just practice on whoever's available. Practice on your mannequin, practice on and take a million pictures and post them everywhere. Post them on social media, post them for your portfolio, everywhere. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to help you look back and perfect your mistakes and see, okay, what's my issue? Where are my issues? Is it the retention? Is it the direction? Is it are all my clients saying that like they don't like that the lashes are too curly, or that they're too short or too long? So you really need to figure that out, and that's not something anyone can do for you except yourself. So trial and error, and everyone goes through that. Sorry guys, it's a little bit windy here and it's 120 degrees, but sweating. Anyway, so that would be the tip number one. Do everyone, do all your entourage, your whole entourage. So after you've done that, I strongly recommend that you get your social media on point. So basically make sure that on your social media, if a potential client goes there, try to look at your page through the eyes of a potential client. So if they go on your page, let's say so Instagram or Facebook, is it easy to reach you? Is it easily understandable what kind of sets you offer, what your prices are, where are you located? I strongly encourage to make that information easily available, because if it's not, clients are just going to be like, this is too complicated. I'm not going to look for her phone number. Like, oh, I have to email her. Like, who does that anymore? Like, you email someone and you wait 2-3 days for a response. Like, no, I want my lashes done like now. I want them done tonight. I want them done tomorrow morning. I want them done this Friday for a friend's wedding, whatever. The point is, they want to be able to reach you, and they want you to answer it like now. So if that's not in place, you're losing like 50% of your clients. So fix that. Just try to look at your page as a client, and if you're seeing those issues, just make sure they're not there anymore. That's a huge aspect. And the other one is customer service. which ties right into this. So make sure that you're available when clients are texting you or messaging you or calling you. Make sure you're answering the phone, or if it's your email, which I don't recommend, make sure you're emailing them right away, because if you don't, someone else will, and they're not going to wait. Typically a client will, like, I just think of myself when I need my lashes done, like, or my hair done, which actually I need my hair done. This quarantine disaster, self-made, like dyeing of my own hair at home is just not working out for me. But anyway, the point is that, you know, when you want something done, you want it now. And, you know, tomorrow I may not feel like getting my hair done anymore. I'm just gonna be like, ugh, it's too long, it's gonna take too long, I don't feel like it anymore. Like, I want it done now, or I want it done tomorrow, like tomorrow morning, let's say, whatever. So I know it's not great, but that's the way clients think. So try to think like a client, you know, like a client will be like, I want it done now. So they want to reach you now. And so you need to be able to answer them right away. You need to be able to message them back instantly, not like the next day, because by the next day they're over it. You know, they don't want to book your appointment anymore. So be sure that that's in place. Followed, and another thing that ties into customer service, when you do get your first couple of clients, remember they're your walking advertisement. So especially if your work is not great, you have to win them over with other factors. What other factors? Great aftercare explanations. Give them free lash shampoos or free lash brushes. Make sure that you're extra nice. I mean, you should always be extra nice, but in this case, if your skills are not amazing, you should be like extremely sweet, nice. Call them after their appointment a few days later, ask them how their lashes are, make sure that they're not falling off, ask them if there's any issues, offer to come back for free if they have any issues. Just like go 100% all out, because they are your walking advertisement. If they like you, they're going to refer 2 or 3 more clients to you. If they don't like you, well, there you go. You have earned a potentially either bad review in the best case scenario, or just, you know, I mean, in the worst case scenario, bad review, or in the best case scenario, they'll just never come back again, and you will not know why. And you're just going to continue making the same mistake over and over again until you say, oh, this is not working. But the truth is, you just have to be kind of proactive. And especially, like I said in the beginning, it's normal. You're going to make mistakes. You know, clients' lashes are going to fall out. It happens. You know, they might not like their lashes, or, you know, whatever it is, whatever issue there is, you just have to promptly fix it. And if you do really well, you fix it well, they're just gonna be like, wow, like, you know, I really like her. Like, even though she's trying to get there, she's still a new lash artist, her customer service is amazing, and I'm actually gonna give her another shot. And, you know, I really like her personality. Like, I've heard this a lot, that, like, you know, clients, they'll be like, oh, I really, I know you do really good lashes. Like, they'll tell some other lash technicians, I know you do amazing lashes, but I'm actually like really attached to my lash artist. You know, we have such a good rapport, we have a good relationship. You know, I'm really loyal to her, even though her lashes aren't like amazing. I still want to continue going to her because, you know, I've been going to her for 2 years, and I've been there with her from the beginning, and I just really love her. So that's it, you know. If you can't win them over in the beginning with your work, win them over with your personality, win them over with your customer service, win them over with, you know, other things. And it's possible. So I've seen it done with other lash artists. It's very possible. It's very doable. So that was the other tip. Another tip that I would give you guys is to print out business cards. Super important. Whenever you're going out, just be sure to have them on you and give them out to whoever you see. Like, this is gonna be hard for people that are introverts, and you're not gonna like this, but you have to do it. And if you don't, well, you're losing out on potential clientele. This works extremely well if you're in a small town also, because word of mouth goes really far in a small town. So just you're going to the grocery store, someone comments on your lashes, give them a card. Or you see your waitress has lashes done, or you know, she has like fake strip lashes, be like, oh, I do lashes, by the way, here's my card, if ever you need them done, I'm your girl, you know. Or whoever you chat with and you start up conversations with, give them your card, whoever you think might be interested. You know, mommy groups, just get the word out, talk about it, be like, yeah, I'm a lash artist, I do lashes, I just started, I'm looking for clients, if you know anyone, here's my card. So you're gonna get quite a lot of clients that way as well. This works really well in small towns. Bigger towns, cities, it could work too, but you know, it depends on how proactive you are. Works especially well if the person the person you're giving out your card to works in a public place, like a waitress or like a hairdresser or a you know, anyone who works with people, so that sees a lot of people, they're gonna be your best walking advertisement. So you can even sometimes offer to do their lashes for free if they you know, accept to do some pictures or some videos for your social media. So that's another way of doing it. So I think those are all the tips for today. I hope you guys found this useful and helpful. If you did, please let me know your biggest tip that you're gonna try in the comments below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification on so that you can continue seeing more of our videos and our posts, our future posts. We would really love to have you guys on this channel. We're always there to support you, and we're gonna be putting out as much educational and supportive content for you guys as possible. If you guys have any other questions about lashing, please message us, DM us on Instagram or Facebook, and we'll be more than happy to help you. We have a lash artist available 24/7 to answer all your questions. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.